Welcome to our channel, where we explore the most extravagant and exquisite meals in Australia. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the most expensive meals in the land down under. From luxurious caviar dishes to gold-plated desserts, get ready to experience the pinnacle of culinary indulgence. Before we dive into these indulgent meals, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. The ultimate seafood platter. Are you ready to indulge in the ultimate seafood experience? Look no further than the Atlantic restaurant in Melbourne, where the ultimate seafood platter awaits. This luxurious platter has earned its spot on our list of the most expensive meals in Australia, with a price tag of $2,000. The platter includes an exquisite selection of fresh seafood, carefully curated by the restaurant's skilled chefs. You'll find succulent king prawns, delicate blue swimmer crab, tender lobster, and briny oysters, all presented in an artful arrangement that's almost too beautiful to eat. To accompany the decadent seafood feast, the dish is served with a bottle of Dom Perignon champagne. If you're feeling extra indulgent, you can add a serving of beluga caviar for an additional $220. The luxurious caviar adds a touch of elegance to the already extravagant seafood platter, making it an unforgettable culinary experience. The Atlantic restaurant is renowned for using the freshest and highest quality seafood available. Their dedication to sourcing only the best ingredients ensures that each bite of this seafood platter is bursting with flavor and texture. From the succulent, buttery lobster to the tender, briny oysters, each element of this dish is a celebration of the ocean's bounty. As you savor each bite, take in the chic and sophisticated surroundings of the Atlantic restaurant. The ambience is modern and stylish, with a sleek decor that complements the elegant seafood feast perfectly. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply want to treat yourself to the ultimate indulgence, the seafood platter at the Atlantic is an experience not to be missed. The Wagyu Beef Feast. The Wagyu Beef Feast at Rockpool Bar and Grill in Sydney is a meal that will satisfy any meat lover's appetite. This dining experience is the epitome of luxurious dining, and it comes with a hefty price tag of $1,000. However, this is not just any ordinary beef meal. The meal includes a selection of the best cuts of Wagyu beef, which are widely known for their tender texture and unique flavor profile. The chefs at Rockpool Bar and Grill carefully select the cuts of meat and cook them to perfection. The beef is served with sides such as truffle mash and roasted vegetables, which are the perfect accompaniments to the flavorful and succulent beef. In addition to the sides, you can also enjoy a variety of sauces that complement the beef's unique flavor. If you want to take your dining experience to the next level, you can add a bottle of premium red wine for an additional $250. The restaurant offers a wide selection of wines to choose from, and the knowledgeable staff can recommend the perfect pairing for your meal. The Wagyu Beef Feast is an experience that is perfect for a special occasion or a celebration with friends and family. The restaurant's elegant and sophisticated atmosphere adds to the overall dining experience, making it an indulgent and unforgettable meal. The restaurant's attentive staff will ensure that you receive top-notch service and that your dining experience is flawless from start to finish. What sets the Wagyu Beef Feast apart from other meat dishes is the unique taste and texture of the Wagyu beef. The beef is marbled, which means that it contains a high level of intramuscular fat. This gives the beef a tender and juicy texture, and the fat adds to the beef's rich and buttery flavor. Wagyu beef is also raised in a unique way, which adds to its distinctive flavor profile. In conclusion, the Wagyu Beef Feast at Rockpool Bar and Grill is an indulgent meal that is perfect for any meat lover. The restaurant's attention to detail and commitment to using high-quality ingredients makes this meal a one-of-a-kind dining experience. The next time you're in Sydney and looking for a meal that is truly unforgettable, be sure to try the Wagyu Beef Feast. The decadent dessert. Indulging in a delicious dessert after a lavish meal is the ultimate way to end a dining experience, and the Golden Gatine dessert at Quay in Sydney is the epitome of luxurious desserts. The Good Food Guide's 2019 Restaurant of the Year is renowned for serving exquisite cuisine, and the Golden Gatine is no exception. The dessert is priced at a whopping $100. but it's worth every penny for a dining experience that you won't forget anytime soon. The Golden Gatine is a work of art, and it's no wonder it's one of the most expensive desserts in Australia. The dessert is a play on the iconic Australian ice cream and biscuit, the Golden Gatine. It's made with edible 24K gold leaf that adorns a luscious brown butter ice cream, which is infused with honey and roasted white chocolate. The ice cream is then topped with caramelized white chocolate that creates a beautiful contrast with the golden hue of the dessert. As you dig into the dessert, the texture of the ice cream is velvety and creamy, which perfectly complements the crunchy biscuit that's hidden inside. The biscuit is made from honeycomb and is coated in a layer of chocolate that adds a delicious crunch to the dessert. The flavors and textures of the dessert are a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and crunchy, creating a unique and memorable experience. The Golden Gatine dessert is served with a glass of dessert wine, which pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the dessert. The wine adds another layer of sophistication to the dessert, and it elevates the dining experience to a whole new level. The wine is carefully chosen to complement the dessert, and the server will be happy to recommend the perfect wine to accompany your dessert. Overall, the Golden Gatine dessert is an indulgent treat that's perfect for special occasions or when you're in the mood for something truly extravagant. The dessert is an exceptional creation that's perfect for those with a sweet tooth and a passion for luxury dining. Key in Sydney has raised the bar for luxurious desserts in Australia, and the Golden Gatine is a must-try for anyone looking to indulge in the ultimate dessert experience. The extravagant sushi platter. Sake Restaurant in Sydney is a go-to place for those who seek the ultimate Japanese dining experience. The restaurant's Deluxe Sushi Platter is a true masterpiece that embodies the elegance and sophistication of the Japanese culinary art. With a price tag of $500, this dish is an indulgence reserved for those who are looking to spoil themselves or someone special. The Sake Deluxe Sushi Platter is a true work of art that appeals to both the eyes and the taste buds. The platter is a harmonious combination of premium sushi and sashimi, each piece carefully crafted to perfection. You'll be treated to an exquisite selection of kingfish, salmon, tuna, and scallops, each prepared in a unique way that highlights its natural flavor and texture. The presentation of the sushi platter is also a sight to behold. The sushi pieces are artistically arranged on a beautiful ceramic platter, surrounded by decorative elements that add to the overall aesthetics. The platter is served with premium sake, which is carefully chosen to complement the flavors of the sushi and enhance the dining experience. The ambience of the Sake restaurant is also worth mentioning. The restaurant's sleek and modern interior is a perfect reflection of contemporary Japanese culture. The soft lighting, the elegant furniture, and the beautiful decor create an atmosphere that's both intimate and sophisticated. The staff is also highly trained and attentive, making sure that every detail of your dining experience is taken care of. The Sake Deluxe Sushi Platter is an ideal choice for those looking to celebrate a special occasion or have an intimate dinner with someone special. The dish is perfect for sharing, and the exquisite flavors and presentation are sure to leave a lasting impression. So, if you're looking for the ultimate Japanese dining experience in Sydney, look no further than Sake Restaurant's Deluxe Sushi Platter, the luxury high tea. The last meal on our list is the luxury high tea at the Park Hyatt in Melbourne. This high tea is the epitome of indulgence, with a price tag of $75 per person. High tea includes a selection of sweet and savory treats such as finger sandwiches, scones, macarons, and chocolates. You can also add a glass of champagne or a premium tea selection to complete the experience. The high tea is served in the opulent surroundings of the Park Hyatt's elegant tea lounge, making it a perfect option for a sophisticated afternoon with friends or family. And that concludes our list of the most expensive meals in Australia. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some inspiration for your next special occasion.